and you have to pick up the workman from, and then you have to pick me and drive me to Farmer McColl.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm gonna go hop into Annie. Send me away. Okay, so let's go. Okay, Thomas, stop right here. This is where I had to get off. Thank you very much, Thomas, and my very good friend, Thomas. Now I will give you now you are getting your special good driving test award. Your #1 sticker. Your #1 train.
Drive the train.
Good luck, Thomas. Good luck.